Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lenora T. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. If you want to join this family, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell button so that every time I upload, you're gonna see a notification from me. If this is not your first time, thank you for coming back. You guys mean the world to me. In today's video, we're doing the 12-minute challenge or the Aaliyah J challenge. If you don't know who Aaliyah J is and you're into makeup, unacceptable! Girl, I'm gonna do you a favor. I'm gonna leave her link down below so that you subscribe to her like now, okay? Everything I learned in makeup is from, no, not everything. A few things that I learned in makeup is from Aaliyah J, as well as others like Chloe Kitembo, Jackie Aina, Sophiology. Make sure to check out all these people because they are successful black women in the YouTube community that are doing excellently well.
Get with the program, point blank, period.
Aaliyah J tweeted a few weeks ago, that she could do her makeup in 12 minutes. Everyone was like, that's a lie, that's not possible. And then she recorded a video and she put it on YouTube and she did her makeup in 11 minutes. And when I tell you, she was not even rushing. At some point, she got up and went to get something, maybe for like a whole 2 minutes. So technically she did her makeup in 9 minutes. When I saw that, I was like, I can do that. I feel like I can do it. It looked easy to me. So I'm like, I can do it. Because most of my makeup techniques I learned from her. So I'm like, if she can do it, then I can do it. Maybe not 12 minutes, but you know, if you want to find out if I did it in 12 minutes or in 20 minutes or in 50 minutes, go ahead and keep watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe. Anyway guys, I'll see you guys in the video and make sure you come back for more. I have so many makeup videos, I have pranks, yeah, let me stop talking. So before we get into this video, my first disclaimer is my eyebrows are micro shaded and I know you're gonna think like I'm cheating, right? I like to actually fill them in. Just because they're micro shaded does not mean I don't do anything. I still fill them in, I still conceal them. So I just wanted to say that before we continue, okay? All right, let's go.